names and numbers, okay?
Vera!
Naliligaw ka yata.
Oh no, this is exactly where I want to be.
Okay. You know, if you're looking for a job, then I'm sorry to say, hindi ka bagay dito. We don't hire social climbing whores here.
Oh my dear, evil, aging stepmother. I'm not just looking for any kind of job. I already have one. Now I want yours. Gusto kong i-announce mo sa susunod na board meeting na ako na ang magiging bagong presidente ng FDGP.
What? Are you high? Ba't ko naman gagawin yun?
Because I know your dirty little secret. And I'm not talking about that stunt you played yesterday. Which reminds me, you will be receiving a subpoena soon. I'm talking about another dirty little secret by the name of Jelay Agustin. How do you think the board will react pag nalaman nilang nakaw ang collection mo? They might just hand me the presidency on a silver platter. But of course, Vera, I'm much more gracious than that. Papayagan ko naman yung graceful exit mo. Gusto ko, you will turn over to me the presidency.
Never. No. Not to you. Not ever. It will take a war to bring me down, Victoria.
Really? You want war? I'll give you war. Sabihin mo lang kung saan at kailan. I'll be there in my red stilettos.